kanina. We cannot go down. Ostrich ring! Happy. At least they make you happy, students. Ayan, naghabulan silang dalawa. They are both females. Saya-saya naman. Kasi once in a while, yung mga babae.
Hello.
Mga pinagkatawa ng kanila mo. Yan yung mga babae ko, are the mga sila grayish brown feather. So yan nasa tabi ng door ng bus. Yan silang male. If they have a black feather, they have a red beak. Pag mapula na nga pala yung beak nila, yung taka. It only means one thing, that is the indication na they are ready to copulate and properly nakakamatay. But then yung kick nila, it could be deadly. One kick of an ostrich is equivalent to 5 times stronger than the kick of the wolf. So, ganun po. It's fatal kapag nasipa kayo. They will deliver it. Don't stay in front. You may stay on the side or at the back, but not in front. Kasi nga, oo nga po.
Yung mga ostrich
ito sa ilalim mo. Actually, friendly naman yung mga female. Friends with people. Sila yung mga mahilig magpa-feature. Social. Yung lalaki sa flag. Only kapag ka-friendly pa yung male ostrich. Again, pag nag-red po, na-reach na nila yung